Headache English. Thanksgiving.
Today, we are going to learn the following. Number 1. List of confusing words with meanings. Number 2. Sentence samples. Number 3. Quiz. And number 4. Advanced level practice.
Words to discuss. Alter versus alter. Continuous versus continual. Empathy versus sympathy. Guarantee versus warranty. Infer versus imply.
Altar versus altar. Altar, noun. A religious place that is used for prayers, worships, sacrifices, and offerings.
Alter, verb. To change or to make adjustments.
Examples. Alter, Mika and James knelt at the altar.
Alter, we need to alter the details before we publish the plan.
Let us use the words together. We need to alter the design of the altar before the Mass starts.
Continuous versus continual. Continuous, adjective constant, without interruption.
Continual, adjective frequent or always happening.
Examples. Continuous, the rain has been continuous since yesterday.
Continual, we should stop these continual arguments.
Let us use the words together. She finds the continual confrontation exhausting and it has been continuous since last week.
Empathy versus sympathy. Empathy, noun. The action and ability to understand the actions and feelings of others.
Sympathy, noun. Feelings of pity for someone's misfortune.
Examples. Empathy, the president had great empathy for the people.
Sympathy, he never showed sympathy when I was injured.
Let us use the words together. We express sympathy to our colleagues who got stranded, and with empathy, surely our boss will send help to rescue them.
Guarantee versus warranty. Guarantee, noun. Assurance or formal promise.
Warranty, noun. A written guarantee for customers who purchase something.
Examples. Guarantee, I guarantee you'll love the place we're going to.
Warranty, the mobile phone I purchased yesterday has 1-year warranty.
Let us use the words together. The salesperson guaranteed us that their products will be covered with warranty.
Infer versus imply. Infer, verb. Conclude from statements and reasonings with evidence.
Imply, verb. Suggests fact or truth.
Examples. Infer, we can now infer why he acted like that yesterday.
Imply, replying to our email quickly seems to imply that they are interested with our proposal.
Let us use the words together. I never meant to imply that you were responsible for that matter, but we can't change the fact that many people already inferred from what happened.
You're on the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Let us check your knowledge. Direction. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. I need the dress later but the blank shop is still close. Number 2. Vina had to blank her clothes after losing weight. Number 3. The priest put the offerings at the blank.
Letter A. Alter. Letter B. Alter.
The correct answers are: Number 2. Letter B. Vina had to alter her clothes after losing weight. Number 3. Letter A. The priest put the offerings at the altar.
Number 4. The blank noise of the vehicles annoys me. Number 5. The kids blank their play date after eating lunch. Number 6. He gave me blank assurance that everything will be alright.
Letter A. Continuous. Letter B. Continual.
The correct answers are: Number 4. Letter A. The continuous noise of the vehicles annoys me. Number 6. Letter B. He gave me continual assurance that everything will be alright.
Number 7. Daniela needed to develop blank skills. Number 8. Other countries sent assistance to the Philippines to express blank for the typhoon victims. Number 9. I have a real mission to blank.
Letter A. Empathy. Letter B. Sympathy.
The correct answers are: Number 7. Letter A. Daniela needed to develop empathy skills. Number 8. Letter B. Other countries sent assistance to the Philippines to express sympathy for the typhoon victims.
Number 10. The blank made sure that we'll get the refund. Number 11. If the item was altered by other shops, we will void the blank. Number 12. Sally recommended me this restaurant, I blank you'll like it too.
Letter A. Guarantee. Letter B. Warranty.
The correct answers are: Number 11. Letter B. If the item was altered by other shops, we will void the warranty. Number 12. Letter A. Sally recommended me this restaurant, I guarantee you'll like it too.
Number 13. What does his anger blank? Number 14. Readers are left to blank the culprit's motives. Number 15. We blank your sentiments.
Letter A. Infer. Letter B. Imply.
The correct answers are: Number 13. Letter B. What does his anger imply? Number 14. Letter A. Readers are left to infer the culprit's motives.
Let us check how the students who just graduated use the words we discussed.
I am sure our continuous devotion helped us reach our goal.
You're right. We received continual blessings this year. Surely the Creator has great empathy for us. He knew our hardships.
Though I felt sympathy for those who did not graduate on time this year, I know they will succeed in time.
Of course. You can imply from their actions that they are very dedicated to.
And we don't have the right to infer why they didn't pass this semester.
Mrs. You guaranteed them that they will graduate next semester. I'm glad to hear that. Anyway, I have to go somewhere later. Well, let's put our offerings at the altar before we part ways. Yes, please. I need to let the shop alter my clothes for the event tonight before the warranty expires.
Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching.